What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. Lately it's been rough, but hopefully I can catch them today and redeem myself compared to last time. I have some swim baits tied on, some top water, and hopefully we can land some fish today. I'm trying to at least catch 2 fish today. That is the goal for today. Hopefully we can make it happen. It's currently 8 a.m. in the morning. I woke up pretty early today. I was gonna go this afternoon, but I decided not to. So let's get to catching some fish. So I've made it to the first spot of the day, and I'm going to be starting off with some top water. I'm noticing some ripples here and there, and I'm going to be casting up pretty shallow to try and get these fish to commit and to eat. It's currently 8:09 in the morning, like 70 degrees or so. Cast around, see if I can get any fish to bite. I also have some swim baits with me today that I'm mainly going to be using. Hopefully get those fish to commit and try and bite. Like I said, lately it's been hard around that fall time. Moving baits work. I think top water works, I'm not too sure, but I'll try it out and see if we can land any fish. Hopefully we can. Let's get to it. Oh, there's got to be a fish there. Has to be. Oh, I was right. I got everyone. I got one. That is a decent one. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Usually around this area there's always at least one fish, and I was right. I think it's a smallmouth. Not bad. Come on, buddy. I don't want to lose this guy. Yeah, I think it's a smallmouth. He's fighting pretty hard. Nope, largie. There we go, everybody. First fish of the day. Starting off the day just right. Like I said, everybody, it's been extremely tough to catch a fish lately. Not a bad fish to start off the day. I was contemplating on coming fishing this morning. Glad I came, because apparently the bite is on. Oh my gosh, the hook came right out. If I wouldn't have kept tension on this little guy, I wouldn't have gotten him. First fish of the day. Go ahead and let him go. There he goes, back in the water. See if we can catch some more. That was freaking cool. Literally, I've been fishing for about 10 minutes or so, and that fish that I caught wasn't a giant, but I'll take it. The other day it took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to catch one fish, and right now I've been fishing for like 10 minutes. So apparently the top water bite is on. These fish are feeding. That fish was not that deep, so I assume top water will be good this morning because the popper is kind of quick, and these fish, it's kind of like a reaction bait, and I'm fishing it pretty fast. That time I let it sit for a little bit, so I might have to slow it down a bit, but I'm not going to fish with top water for too long. I might just fish this area and then move over to the other side and then fish with some moving baits, like some swim baits and stuff. So far so good. We've already landed one. That is a good sign. Oh, yep, there we go. Second fish on top water. Come on. I let it sit once again. Not bad. It's better than the last one, I think. Might be about the same size. Yeah, it's about the same size, everybody. Come on. Oh yeah, let me just drop my net in the water real quick. Get in the net, buddy. Little chunkier than the last one. This fish is a little chubbier. Second fish of the day. Hate these trebles though. There we go, everyone. Second fish of the day. Little bigger than the last one, a little chunkier. Not bad. I've been fishing for about 30 minutes, and this is the second fish I land. Maybe about 20 minutes. Some huge waves coming in. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Big waves coming in. There he goes. That's probably gonna be the last one in this area. I'm pretty finished with this cove on this side. I might fish a little more with top water, and then I'll head over to the other side and fish with the swim baits. So seeing that top water is on this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and fish to the left of me, this little area right here. And then once I finish fishing that, hopefully I can catch another fish. Then I'll head over to the other side and start fishing with the swim bait. But top water seems to really be popping. No pun intended. But they really seem to be liking the top water bite. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the left, see if I can get any more fish to blow up on some top water. Hopefully I can. I am hearing some fish right now busting on top water, so hopefully we can land another one. If not, I'll head over to the other side and start fishing with some moving baits. Let's get to it. Yep, I knew it. I knew there was a fish in this grass. There had to be. Right in front of me too. Get in the net, buddy. Barely hooked. I knew it. I was so stealth about it. I don't know if you can hear it, but I whispered. I was like, oh, this grass has to be a fish. And sure enough, right in front of me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the top water down. It's so freaking fun. Literally a frenzy. The thing with these fish though this morning is they're barely hanging onto it. The hook came right out. Not a bad fish, about the same size as the last one. Tad bit bigger, so we're getting bigger every fish. Hopefully we can land some more. That is absolutely insane. Right in front of me. Go ahead and let this fish go. That fish already wanted to go. See if we can catch another one, everybody. Oh, yep. Oh, I had him. Fourth fish of the day. Not too salty because, I mean, that's already my fourth fish. I should have let him eat it a little longer. Kind of just swiped at it. That might have been why he didn't eat it. I'm about to make it to the end. I have a little more to fish. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be pretty hard putting this topwater down once I get to the other side. So as much as I want to continue fishing with topwater, the topwater bite is slowing down and I've made it to the other side. Usually I don't get topwater bites here, so I've switched up to a white swim bait. And I'm gonna be trying to catch some fish today with this swim bait. It is a moving bait, so theoretically I should be able to, but I'll get to fishing and hopefully we can land some. Is that a fish? That's a fish. No way. First cast in. That was a fit. That was a nice fish, not gonna lie. Instantly. Look at that. Oh, my bait's basically gone. The bite is on today, everybody. That fish bit so hard, like I couldn't really tell, but it was a good bite. All right, this is a freaking good sign. I'm gonna keep fishing, hopefully land a fish like that. Oh, I'm getting bit. There's a wake over there. Got him. Is he still on? I think I still have him. Is he running towards me? No, he came off. That is a struggle. I've been fishing for probably about an hour without a bite, and I saw some grass here and they're in the grass, so cast it there, felt the bite, saw a wake, had them for like a split second. Didn't feel huge, but bite's a bite. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. Definitely an amazing day. I caught 3 fish in total today, all on topwater. I missed a ton of fish there at the end with the swim bait, but at least I made it happen. I caught more than I expected to catch today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future content just like this. Now catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.